Alright, what's up guys? Happy Monday. New week. New opportunities, new challenges. Hope you guys had a good weekend and off to a good start, man. So we're heading to the gym. Hitting legs today, so a little off my split because I went to the gym on Saturday and Sunday, which I usually don't do. So turn on the seat heaters and heating the steering wheel. A little chilly out. Mariners made it to the ALCS, so if you watch baseball, you know that that's a first for us here since 2001. So pretty exciting. But yeah, pretty good day of work. Good recovery day on the stock market after Friday's sell-off. So it's always good to see. And finish the day off right, go to the gym and stretch a little bit, hit legs, hit the sauna, go home, eat some dinner. So. So one thing I love about this car is in the winter months, or fall/winter, when I could finally turn on the seat heaters, man, they feel so good. Like they hug you all the way up to the back of your shoulder blades. It just feels so good. And then the combination of that with the warm steering wheel. I've never had like good quality stuff like that until I got this car. My only two cars I've ever had before this one were a 1984 Toyota 4Runner and a 2004 Toyota 4Runner. I've driven other cars obviously, but nothing as nice as this. And yeah, it's just nice to have. I don't really have too many. It's pretty base spec, to be honest, so. squeaky brakes on that Cayenne. Yeah, man, been a minute since I recorded some content, and I need to get back in the game. Kind of took a break over the last few days. The green light there for a second. I was like, wait. Oh shoot, they're hanging up the Christmas lights. In the wintertime, they hang up lights on these trees. Here they are, wrapping them up. I love it. One of my favorite times of the year is Christmas time. I don't know what you celebrate, but to me, I always celebrated Christmas. Always will. And yeah, dude, just the best time of the year, in my opinion. So we're gonna pull up, park right here, avoid the leaves as best as possible. Try to park away from people, because one time I got a door ding and I approached the woman who did that, and she did not give a shit. She did not give a crap that she hit my door. Luckily it was in the 4Runner. So like, I don't really care if my 4Runner gets a door ding on it or not, but yeah, I asked her, I was like, hey, like, you just hit my door. I was getting out, she was getting into her car, and yeah, it was really weird. She was very hostile. So I'm not that way by nature, until, you know, I get upset. So okay, what is this person doing, dude? Unbelievable methodology there. Anyways, man, that's all from me. I'm tired, man. I'm tired. I got some pre-workout in my system, some caffeine so I could wake up, but long day at work. Good day, but long day. So gonna go try to get some energy out of this workout and go home, watch some Monday Night Football. Hopefully the their Mariners win tonight, so we'll see. But that's all for me, man. Appreciate you riding with me as always, and drive safe out there. Road's getting nasty, so rain's coming in over here, and yeah, stay safe out there. Until next time, peace.